Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 and let me show you how to insert here the microSD and Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's find the slot for your cards. The slot is located right here at the top of the device, and let's use some Thumber Toggle special eject tool to open this slot. So here I have the simple Thumber tag. Let me press it right here into this hole. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device, so let me do it. And here you can have access to your slots. So in the first slot here you can insert the Nano SIM card, so let me do it. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. That's it. The second slot is really interesting because here you can insert the second SIM card, also the Nano, with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and now you can use two cards on your device, or you can simply use it for the memory card. So here I have the microSD, of course, with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Excellent. Now your tray is ready to be used, so let's put the whole thing into your device. Let's press it to the end. Alright, and simply press power key to switch on the Samsung Galaxy S9. As you can see, the device is turning on, so let me make sure that both cards works properly on my device. Let's wait a few seconds until the home screen pops up. Let's unlock the screen right here. Let's choose settings right here. Choose connections, the first option. Here choose SIM card manager. As you can see, the device is reading our first SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back, and right here let's choose device maintains. Select storage. And as you can see, the phone is reading our portable storage, so our microSD. So basically everything went well. You can go back and use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.